So take a quick look at this Instagram account. Among the other videos posted, there are several random ones that have reached millions of views. Let's check out what they are. You'll notice that these black and white CCTV style videos are getting millions of views. Take a look in these security camera clips. Animals are doing unbelievable things that we wouldn't normally expect. That's what's shown on these security cam style videos. And if we check the view counts, one of these videos has 23 million views, another has 11 million, and the rest of the security footage style videos also have millions of views. The most interesting part is that these videos aren't real. They've been created by the video creators. You might realize this is actually a great niche, something not many people know about, and it can be used really well for YouTube content. Not many people know about this. If we go on YouTube and take a look, there are only a few videos uploaded in this style. Check out this video 1, just like it has gotten around 16 million views. That shows how successful this niche. So, you too can start a YouTube channel making CCTV security camera style animal videos and quickly gain both subscribers and watch time. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to make these types of security CCTV camera animal videos. So stay tuned with the video, give it a like, and let's get started. The first thing you all need to do is go to this Instagram account and take a screenshot of one of the random videos like this. After that, go to any generator you prefer. Personally, I like ChatGPT. Paste the screenshot we captured and then use the prompt I'm about to give you. This prompt will help you generate 10 high-quality photos. I'll also give you 10 animation prompts so you can animate these images too. Once you have those, you can organize them properly with ChatGPT. Alright, now let's go see how to generate and animate the images step by step. I'm using a lesser-known and very fast tool for this. With this tool, we can generate images directly from the website and also animate those generated images. The name of this website is style.I. First, log into the website like this, and after logging in for the first time, you'll receive 300 credits. Click the Create button first. Then you'll see an option called Free Image Generation. Click that. After clicking, paste the image generation prompt we generated earlier using ChatGPT into the text bar. Then click to generate and wait a few seconds. After that, the tool will generate 4 different styles of images. Choose the one that best fits your need and download it. Don't generate everything at once. Generate all 10 images one by one for your full scene. Alright, now let's see how to animate those. First, take the image you selected, then, below the photo, you'll see an option called Make Video. Click on it. After clicking, it will appear like this. Then you'll see a section called Video Prompt. That's where you need to paste the animation prompts we created earlier. On the right side, you can also select the video duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, etc. Choose your preferred duration and click Generate Video. Then all you have to do is wait a few seconds, and the website will create a beautiful animated video like this. So, just like before, you can use this same website to animate all 10 images using this method. It's super easy. Just click on the image, paste the animation prompt, and hit Generate. Once everything is generated, we're done with that part. Now let's move on to the final step. Alright, the final step is editing. For this, I'm using CapCut, which is a free tool anyone can use. First, import all your clips into CapCut. Then, you'll need some sound effects, like animal sounds. For that, you can use a site like Pixabay, which lets you download free sound effects. Once you have the sounds, add them in the right places to make the video more engaging. Then, with everything arranged properly, you can edit the video nicely and finally export it. I believe this tutorial video will be valuable for you, so make use of this trending niche and start creating your own YouTube videos. Thanks for watching.